What is a tornado, and how does it form? Imagine a rotating column of air rising from the ground into the sky like a giant funnel, capable of ripping houses off their foundations, overturning cars, and tearing up everything in its path. That's a tornado, one of the most destructive and spectacular atmospheric phenomena. Today we'll delve into the amazing world of tornadoes. We'll learn what they are, how they form, and why they can be so dangerous. So, what is a tornado? The simplest explanation is that it's a powerful rotating column of air that makes contact with both the ground and the base of a thundercloud. It resembles a giant funnel, capable of causing terrible destruction. Tornadoes can range in size from a few dozen meters in diameter to over a kilometer. Air currents can travel at speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour or more. Tornadoes are formed under specific conditions when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air. This most often occurs in regions with sharp temperature and humidity fluctuations, for example, in the famous Tornado Alley in the central United States. But how does such an incredible phenomenon form? It all starts with thunderstorm clouds. A powerful thunderstorm system called a supercell forms in the atmosphere. This is a special type of thunderstorm cloud, within which a region of rotating air called a mesocyclone develops. This rotating airflow is key to tornado formation. At different altitudes, the wind blows at different speeds and in different directions. This is called wind shear. This movement creates horizontal rotation of the air in the lower layers of the atmosphere. Warm, moist air rises, capturing this rotation and turning it vertical. A rotating column forms within the thunderstorm cloud. When the rotation intensifies and the pressure in the center of the vortex drops sharply, a funnel-shaped cloud begins to descend from the cloud. This is the tornado funnel. As soon as it touches the ground, the tornado is considered to have begun. It is at this moment that the air begins to spin like a spiral, strengthening and compressing until the tornado itself forms a powerful vortex rising from the ground to the cloud. This phenomenon should not be underestimated, as wind speeds within a tornado can reach hundreds of kilometers per hour. A tornado can exist from a few seconds to several hours, traveling from hundreds of meters to hundreds of kilometers. Over time, it loses energy as it exhausts its supply of warm, moist air and gradually dissipates. Tornadoes come in different forms. Some are short and weak, leaving minimal damage, while others can extend for tens of kilometers and destroy entire cities. Tornadoes are classified based on their strength and duration, and scientists are constantly refining their methods for studying and predicting them. The danger of tornadoes is obvious. They can tear off roofs, flip cars, and down power lines. Every year, tornadoes cause significant property losses and, unfortunately, loss of life. However, with advances in science and technology, people have learned to more effectively predict tornadoes and create warning systems. Special bunkers and shelters have also been built that save lives during tornadoes. To protect yourself and your loved ones, it's important to know simple safety rules. Never ignore warnings, seek shelter in sturdy buildings, and avoid windows and your own vehicles during tornado outbreaks. Tornadoes most often form in the spring and summer, especially in the afternoon, when ground heating is at its highest. The most powerful tornado ever recorded in the United States occurred in 2011 in Joplin, Missouri. The tornado was caused by the collision of warm air from the Gulf of Mexico with cold air from the Rocky Mountains. This resulted in a tornado. More than 8,000 buildings were damaged in Joplin, and thousands of people were forced to evacuate their homes. Tornadoes are a reminder of how powerful and unpredictable nature can be. But thanks to modern meteorological systems, scientists can now predict their occurrence hours before a disaster, saving thousands of lives. There are many amazing and dangerous natural phenomena in the world, and tornadoes are one of them. Understanding how they form and how to protect ourselves from them helps us be prepared and reduce the risks. If you're interested in learning more about weather phenomena and scientific facts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Dive with us into the mysterious and incredible world of nature. Take care and stay safe even when the most powerful forces of nature are raging around you.